Hello everyone. Question is a company uses an external system to manage its custom account territory assignments. Every quarter, millions of accounts may be updated in Salesforce with new owners when the territory assignments are completed in the external system. What is the optimal way to update the accounts from the external system? Option A, Bulk API. Option B, SOAP API. Option C, Apex REST Wave Service. Option D, Composite REST API. Correct answer is option A. Question is, if you wanted to create a record following the update of another with data from the source object, what is the most customizable approach? Option A, Workflow Rule. Option B, Process Builder. Option C, After Update Trigger. Option D, Flow. Correct answer is option B. Question is, if the page reference dot setDirect Apex function is set to true, what type of request is meant? Option A, GET request. Option B, postback request. Option C, if page reference points to the same controller and subset of extensions, postback request, otherwise GET request. Correct answer is option A. Question is, during the order of execution of a Visualforce page GET request, what happens after this step? Evaluate constructors on controllers and extensions. Option A, evaluate constructors and expressions on custom components. Option B, create view state if Apex form exists. Option C, send the HTML response to the browser. Option D, evaluate expressions, action attributes, and method calls. Correct answer is option A. Question is, how can Apex be used with Visual Workflow? Option A, to set the version of a flow being run. Option B, to start a flow automatically. Option C, to add custom styling to a flow. Option D, to control access to a flow. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, how can a developer efficiently incorporate multiple JavaScript libraries such as jQuery and Moment.js in a Lightning component? Option A, use JavaScript remoting and script tags. Option B, use CDNs with script attributes. Option C, implement the libraries in separator helper files. Separate helper files. Option D, join multiple assets from a static resource. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a company recently deployed a Visualforce page with a custom controller that has a data grid of information about opportunities in the org. Users report that they receive a maximum view state size limit error message under the certain conditions. According to Visualforce best practice, which three actions should the developer take to reduce the view state? Choose three options. Option A, use the transient keyword in the Apex controller for variables that do not maintain state. Option B, use the final keyword in the controller for variables that will not change. Option C, use the private keyword in the controller for variables. Option D, refine any SOQL queries to return only data relevant to the page. Option E, use filters and pagination to reduce the amount of data. Correct answer is option A, D, and option E. Question is, what is the optimal technique a developer should use to programmatically retrieve global pick list options in a test method? Option A. Use the schema namespace. Option B. Use a static resource. Option C. Perform a callout to the metadata API. Option D. Perform a SQL query. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.